like this $20 bill?
I do.
Okay. I'm gonna give it to one of you, but first, let me do this. Okay, now who still wants it?
I do.
And what if I do this? And who wants it now?
I do.
My dear students, I've just showed you a very important lesson. No matter what I did with this money, you still wanted it because it never lost its worth. It's still worth $20. Well, there are many times in our lives when we feel like life has crumbled us up and ground us into the dirt. We may make some bad decisions or have to deal with some poor circumstances. And sometimes our lives can make us feel worthless. But no matter what has happened, no matter what will happen, you never lose your worth. You never lose your value. Don't ever forget that.